you know you make me float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. 'Cause you.
So I want to show you guys my plate. All right, don't judge. I was hungry. Excuse me, sorry. And it was so good, so good. Empty that. Girl, you better can't cook. Think you there for your pretty look you want. Leave a restaurant and come done, man, bam, book. Cook. Recipe. And oh, look at this, guys. Look how skinny I was. Like, what happened to that girl? Where did she go? Look at this one. This is me and my bugaboo. I think she was about 16. Yeah, she was about 16 here. But yeah, I don't want to be that skinny no more, okay? I think I was about 190 pounds right there. But I was real skinny. I had no ass. I didn't have no hips. I didn't have nothing, okay? No, I don't want to be that no more. I love me my booty. I love my fat ass. And my thick thighs. Them you can't go. Them big and you can't go. This belly, it can't go on too. Oh, and that chin here can definitely go on. But anyway, bye guys. Dumb video. I'm gonna sleep. Bye. Mwah.
But I just want to be a father.
I want to know what when.
Yeah.
But if you're soon together, and look like on
Yeah, I'm a baby father. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
But him can't get it.
Hasn't he gotten it?
No, but him can't get it.
We don't lie over here, you know.
No, him can't get it. No, him can't get it.
I just wanted to know, we don't lie over here. This is not the Garden of Eden, right? Yeah, this is not the Garden of Eden. Take a sip.
Him can't get it.
So you want to hear your rebel before though?
Him good.
Good? So when I'm break, when we're not together?
No, we're not together anymore. But him good. I respect him still, you know. Yeah, him good.
Okay.
Big up you.
Okay.
You know, say, hey boy, me can't cuss.
Yeah.
Hey boy, fuck for me, you know. And a girl, fuck man, we come on me hard, you know.
And the what? She want babe on it too? She want babe on it?
No, she's 8 years, me and him there.
Okay.
Me and him did there. So she come at my yard now, beat down my door, and I say, bitch, I can't you want man make a parade for him. Remember I said I might be able to find him.
I ain't way there
The woman there with for 8 years.
That's so bright though.
Yeah.
What's school she go?
She don't go school. I want. She very out of order. I mean, I say, but my baby did that. So one man I say, oh, take the baby water and flush it in her face. Burn up her face.
And you have all right for that because
Exactly.
she's assaulting you.
And she live on my property.
You can't do that.
So-
You're not welcome here.
That the kind of make me drift from the whole thing. You understand?
Yeah.
And then because she knows somebody on the media now, she
So,
have follow me up on the media. You know them look away them, you know one girl follow me, come and follow me, I don't care. You see if my baby for you.
So me as a man like this, me go do your ear before nothing happen. Do your nails in before nothing happen.
Yeah.
That joke argument thing, but really and truly,
The girl them read, man, no sister.
You understand? Because if
you go ask her a question and say, yo, where did the answer go retaliate with the answer like, you masculine, the word there?
Masculine.
Yeah,
Emasculate, yeah.
yeah.
My Faja is here. This is gonna snatch me up, okay? I got this from Pretty Girl Curve. I got it from Pretty Girl Curve in Miami. But it's stage 2 Faja. I just wanted to wear it to work, you know, to curve my body. To get my body right and sexy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Well, I'm gonna try it on the show me if we can go in it because what is this? Yo. You know, let me search for a good Faja, but we don't know if it's good yet, but I'll try it on. But anyway, I'm gonna finish clean and get back to you. So I'm back. Listen, in here dark, but we have some packages from. I'm gonna show you it. We have that big box here, and we have them 3 small one here. Okay, we need a knife. All right, so now let's do this. Look like these are glasses. Okay, so these are just some oversized sunglasses I got from. Mash it up already. This look like somebody there wear it. It's full of fingerprint. But I like this. Well, let me see if I say next one stay. I mean, I like this at all. No. The next one in a the bag here. This one was not. And this clean. This clean. But, ooh. Oh my God. I love is big. It says oversized, but damn. So they're the oversized one-piece sunglasses. And it says for women or men. It is 1977. And I got the pack with 2 in it. They got packs with 3 for $25 or whatever. But yeah, I like these. They're a little bit big. They're a little bit big, but I mean, they're not falling off. Well, if I hold my head down, they come down, but they'll work. I like it. It's cute. As for the next one, I don't think me I'll try the next one, you know, because obviously somebody returned that one day. How me tell them to say? I don't know. It's full of fingerprint. But I will send it back, but I will clean it first. But it probably just look the same way that one look because one is like brown. It's like a, I don't know if you can see that, and the one is pink. You know, so yeah. But okay, so next we have this look like one of the jumpsuit. So this is the sleeveless jumpsuit. The back is out. I'm gonna try it on later when I finish and bathe and thing. I'm gonna try it on. I'm hoping this thing is as tall as they said it's supposed to be. I got it from Amazon, $31. It's thick. Just feel like it would snatch you. But I'm gonna try this little more. And this don't belong to me. This belongs to Brianna. Ooh. So I got 3 jumpsuit. This one. So this is basically the same thing, but this one don't have the scrunch up in the butt, and this one the feet are like wide leg. That one is like skinny, suck on. This one is wide leg, and this was what? This was $32.99. Again, thick material, really nice. I hope they fit the way. Especially this, I hope this style because the fox said the foot wide. If this short, this definitely not look good. But yeah, and we got another scrunch up butt one. I feel like this is gonna be so sexy. Let's check out the back. See that? I think this is gonna be fire. Yeah, but this is tiny leg as well. I mean, skinny leg. And this one was, this and the next one is the same price, $32. And but they have sale now going on, Black Friday sale. And they're all extra large. And for reference, I'm 5'9" and I'm 236 pounds. Hopefully, I hope to lose some weight soon. But yeah, I'm 236, I'm 5'9", and I'm thick. Okay? Broad shoulder, big back, big and big everything except for that. Morning guys, how y'all doing today? It is mucky outside and wet and just gloomy, and I just feel like I want to stay in bed all day. 711-8800 to activate your radio now. But we have to go to work, right? We never stay outside. No. I love the rain. I love the rain. The rain is my favorite time. But when it coming out the house, I don't like the rain. I love when the rain fall. I make them house spread out. Or I just put a blanket on the ground in the living room and just watch TV, eat junk food. You know, just do rain stuff. You know, chill with your man or your picnic, cook food. Just don't come outside in the time. The same way I feel about snow. Yeah, outside just feels weird when you're a Sirius XM subscriber, you've got access to commercial-free music. Radio. The cop is behind me. I like driving with cops behind me, even though I'm shit legit. Still, they scare the life out of you. They just make you drive weird. And anyway, I'm gone now. So I got my box from Shein. Let me tell you guys, oh my gosh, I got some really good stuff. I haven't taken all the clothes them yet, but I did the slippers all yesterday. I hope y'all enjoyed that all. Just call 844-711-8800 to take advantage of this amazing offer. Guess who's coming to town? I always wonder what a truck you're doing, because it's not sweet the road. It's just making the road look nasty. I'm gonna let this thing on before them copyright me again. Alright peeps, I am at work. I'm going in, take care of this lady, and I will see y'all later. My camera is supposed to be coming today. I tell y'all about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, I bought it. Bought it from Amazon. So it's supposed to come today. If it come today, me do me Fashion Nova. I know y'all tired of hearing me say I'm gonna do this Fashion Nova and don't do it. But I'm gonna do it. Y'all gonna see it. Oh my god, the rain. Alright, peep, bye bye. What's up, my beautiful peeps? How y'all doing today? Well, I spoke to y'all this morning. It is many hours later. I am getting off work. You know that excites me. So, yeah, I'm telling you this. I don't know, how do I get rid of that? I need that to go. I need all them red marks gone, bruh. But I am happy that it's calming down. You know, I realized with acne, I realized that less is way more. Cause the minute I do the whole 50-step routine, my face calm down. You know what I mean? Yeah, it just, and everything is good. Hey guys. Look what is here. I got my box. It's my camera. Let's pray, guys. Let's hope I love this one because banana look. We love the look. Find something bust this cause when I get up. So let's see what we're working with. Should I do like an unboxing? I want to do an unboxing. So my beautiful people, I ended up separating the unboxing video, as you probably already know. It is in a separate video. It is here on my channel. If you're interested, go ahead and watch that. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Enjoy the video. So I have to wait on the memory card. This thing don't work without memory card. So I just ordered it. It says it's coming tomorrow. So that part. But I'm gonna try this on for you guys. I'm gonna let you see us snatch. I'll get when I put this on. I'll be back. I'll be back, young. I'll be back. I'll be back, young. Anyway, let's go.
I love me some pickled peppers. Ooh, I love me some pickled peppers.
I wish I could play some music and just shake my little mouth for you guys, but YouTube would just block my black ass. But anyway, we're gonna put this bad boy on, okay? Y'all stay right here. I'll be back. Guys, so this is definitely a yes for me. This is 100% yes. This is sexy. Except for the underwear. Of course, you're not gonna wear this underwear with it because it goes way down. But for the most part, and look, all the way down to my ankle. All the way down to my ankle, guys. This is nice. I love this. I love it. The underwear is a definite no. No. But check out the you know that stand up? I can't do it. I don't know if I do it yet. But I think it's like is it? Anyway, this is sexy. Okay, worth the 30. I think it's $36 on Amazon. This is extra large. This is nice. Again, the back. Boom. Boom. see me coming like, oh, she's so fun, she's so sexy. And then it's like, boom, she a hoe. Yeah, but this is good. Yeah, don't hesitate, guys. Just get whew, in the listen. This thing that in here, I will probably take this out. I don't like clothes with the padding, so I'm gonna take that out from both of them. But it's not showing, as you can see. It's just my preference. I don't like padding. Make my breast look bigger than it actually is. No. So this is a keeper. This is nice. Except for that, this is nice. Guys, this one fit the skin perfect. The color. Oh my god. The color is so nice. Check out the back. Isn't this sexy? The back is so fine. But yeah. So the front is very classy. Very demure. Whatever. The color of this one, I love it. And like I said, you don't have to take these out because you can't see them. I can just feel them, and I can see the way they make the girls too big. So yeah. Nice. This is the same thing as the next one, so of course the material is thick. Love it. So this one I was most worried about because it have the bell foot. That's why I keep the tag, because if it's short, we're not keeping it. But to my surprise, darling, look. Can you peep it? Foot? Can y'all see? Hold on. I'm 5'9". I'm 5'9", and this thing is, it's not sweeping, but it's all the way down, which is perfect because these are just day wear, right? And again, the back is just so sexy. So sexy. And yeah, this is perfect. This is just perfect for grocery. Listen, they said these outfits are for the gym. If you want to wear it to the gym, that's okay with you, but not me. What gym? I'm wearing this out. I'm tired to get them on. Them hard to put on. But yeah, the whole three of them is a keeper. Amazon, 5'9", 236 pounds, extra large. So guys, me and I sweat the pussycat. Listen, oh my god, it took me, all my hand hurt me. Oh, I'm in it. Ah! Oh my god, this, yo, the way this grip me, I'm sure my organ them must scream right now. I'm sure they're asking, what are you doing to us? I'm tucking you in, bitch. I'm tucking you in. Listen, this is snatch. Do you see this? Do you? If you have a bigger butt than me, this work. This full of room. Full of room. And this is large. Do you see it lift? Do you see how it lifts the booty? And look at this. Stomach wear. What belly? That gone. That chinks. Yo, this nice. I had one before. But then they said, don't wash it in the washing machine. And I just threw mine in the washing machine and washed that bitch. Yo, it hurt my hand to put it on. It was so hard to go up. But what is a waist trainer? What is a Faja without struggle for go up on you? If it go up easy, it won't work. And look, I have it on the last hook. So when I lose weight, I'm gonna have to take in the back. I'm gonna have to put some dot in here. And they said I could just send it back to them and they do it for free. Yeah, I got it from Pretty Girl Curve in Miami. It's about 210 after tax, about 210, 220, somewhere there. I'm not quite sure. I'd have to go back in my email. But this is, if you want a shape where you want to hold you uncomfortable, this thing feel, you can feel something holding your body, but it's not suffocating, if you get what I mean. And it not ride up and it not ride down. You can't sit down, you can't bend, you can't move. And you're good. So, purpose of me want it for we go work every day. And also, you know, help me ties them from not rubbing. And the zipper go from here. Yeah guys, so like I was saying, the zipper goes from here to all the way up here. All the way up here. So you can number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, and 6 if you want to in it. At night time, you need enough to take it off if you can't bother. Sleepy night, zip it, turn sideways. Do anything and just so comfortable. Yeah, so this is it guys. I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. And that's that. Anyway, that's it for this all. Later. Peace.
Or water, and most people have to pick through the debris to look for any food scraps. And
So I just finished
Moore's mom, who we'll just call Mom, she has
the
to go to
Amazon haul
hospital where I guess they
and
bring all the
my
bodies of
shapewear.
people who didn't make it. And
But
each
if you're
time they bring
interested
in
in
a
any of the
body,
product,
he
then
checks it to see if it's for
let me
or
know in the
and
comment
weeks
and
go
I will
by,
give
and
you guys the
Mom is still
information.
out there looking for them. Now she's looking through refugee
Let me know.
camps too.
Okay.
But unfortunately, it's not really looking good. I mean, this tsunami was massive and super deadly. I mean, it killed like an estimated
This is so
230,000
good.
people across 14 countries. And by the way,
But it
this
is so
considered
bad.
one of the deadliest disasters in modern history. Supposedly, the highest recorded waves from this tsunami were over 100
See that?
feet high and
So good.
traveled across the ocean at the speed of 500 miles an hour. That's roughly the speed of a commercial airliner. So imagine 100-foot waves coming at you at the speed of an airplane. That's how insane this natural disaster was. In fact, the earthquake under the ocean that
Oh my
caused
God.
the tsunami was so powerful.
Thanks
it
so much for
literally
watching.
altered the Earth's
Don't forget to
rotation,
like, comment, and
which is just
subscribe.
wild to think about. Okay, so
Like the
anyway,
video, guys. So we're doing the movies tonight. I think it's Friday night. It's Friday or Saturday. Well, I don't even know. But anyway, we're going to see the new Denzel Washington movie. So the scent for tonight is this, whatever it is. Can't call them name, them too extra. Fame, perfume, rub-on, some blood clot. I don't know. But anyway, it smells good. So good. But yeah, this is the look for tonight. Real simple, real cute, real classy, real. Okay. It is. Don't know why that's talking. Okay, guys. So this is the look for tonight. I got a Fenty 2-piece sweatsuit on. Some Nike sneakers with some plain white socks. And yeah, that's the look. I love this outfit except for the fact that I'm 5'9" and it barely touches my ankle. That is a problem, but we'll let it slide because a Fenty, a Riri, and we love you. But yeah, but this is the look. It's just real simple. I'm not doing any bag tonight because it's the movie. Y'all may need my license. and my cat. That's it. So yeah, this is a look. Real cute, real classy, real demure. Anyway, bye guys. So we end up at the bar because the movie is so loud, right? It's so loud that we have to get a later ticket basically. So we'll just stop at the bar and have to drink and then go on later time. So we're about to play some darts right now.
Raise them, mama, raise them. Alright, the last one is not so bad. That you say? Oh, so you want to live?
It's raining. My jacket in my hand like I just said for day. Get sick. Okay. Oh my god. We're gonna come down. Let's go get our ticket. Do I have to? Interested. This I gotta see. Why don't you look so dark? What's up, my peeps? Good morning. Happy Saturday. How y'all doing today? Last night after the movie, the movie was so good, by the way. That movie was really good. That's a must watch. It's I don't remember the name, but it's Denzel Washington and it's some gladiator movie. I can't remember the name. But anyway, it was good. After the movie, I did a stop at one bar, but the vibe was not there. So we came home and guess what? Yo, we set up the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. We set that up. I'm in love. I was hanging on to the box for dear life. I'm like, I just have a feeling so me I forgot to send you back. But no, I'm not. So it's a keeper. We're gonna keep it. I'm waiting on the SDI card. SDI? Yeah, I'm waiting on the SD card. What the fuck is SDI? I'm waiting on the SD card to record with it and let you guys see how cute that bitch is. But yeah, it's nice. But anyway, it's raining. It's been raining for like 3 days now. I hate the rain when I have to go out. I love the rain, but I hate coming out in it. If that makes sense. I have so much work to do after work. I'm getting a call. Hello? Hello? What's up?